I'm Alton with Hub City, and with me today is TJ McGarry, our design engineer, and we want to present to you our new HubLoc keyless bushing system. TJ, let's talk about some of the customer benefits of the new HubLoc keyless bushing system.
Yeah, first and foremost, our bushing system is very versatile. It allows multiple bore sizes to be achieved with a single gearbox. It's also easily installed and removed, and it allows for a wide customer shaft tolerance range and is available in a wide range of bore sizes.
The bushing kits include 2 bushings, 1 for each side, 2 covers, an open cover and a closed cover, metal detectable, and hand installed with no additional hardware.
Remove the bushing sets from the boxes and disassemble. Install the external clamp ring onto the support side of the hollow shaft with the larger diameter of the tapered bore facing the end of the hollow shaft. Install the external tapered ring over the hollow shaft with the internal ridge toward the end of the hollow shaft. Insert the tapered bushing into the bore of the hollow shaft with the thicker end of the bushing inserted into the bore first. Ensure that the threaded bushing is turned into the threaded flange and that the ends of the 2 components are flush. Install the threaded bushing and flange assembly into the hollow shaft. Be sure that the slot in the threaded bushing is not aligned with the slot in the tapered bushing. Thread the cap screws into the flange. Do not tighten the cap screws. Repeat steps 2 through 7 on the clamp side. Install the gear drive onto the solid shaft. Tighten the cap screws on the clamp side first. Repeat step 10 on the support side. Install the closed cover on the clamp side. Push the cover onto the receiver flange and turn 45 degrees until you hear a click. Install the open cover onto the support side. Assemble the cover by joining the 2 halves around the solid shaft. Then push the open cover onto the receiver flange and turn 45 degrees until you hear a click. Insert a long, flat tool between the 2 tabs on the outside surface of the closed cover receiver flange until engaging the flat face of the tab against the gear drive housing. Twist the handle of the tool so that the top of the front tab is pushed down and away from the gear drive while simultaneously rotating the cover in a counterclockwise direction. Repeat steps 1 and 2 to remove the open cover. Loosen and remove all of the hex bolts of the locking device on the clamp side. Insert 3 of the bolts removed in step 4 into the threaded push-off holes of the flange. Slowly tighten each bolt and alternate between bolts. You will likely hear a pop when the bushing is released. Repeat steps 4 and 5 to release the support side bushing. Remove the remaining bolts from the clamp side bushing, then remove the bushing and flange from the clamp side. Remove the gear drive from the solid shaft.
And there you have it, HubLoc, a bushing system that is robust, versatile, and easily installed. Brought to you by Hub City, a Regal brand.